Hey, it's Pastor Rob. Part 2 on day 4. Just some things I thought of that can be beneficial if you're going to get your hip surgery. And these, for me, I didn't realize until just now, are major. Number one is you want to take a shower, which everybody does anyway, but that's a goal, and literally that feels fantastic when you take a shower. But something to know about taking a shower: get yourself a shower head that has the wand, so you can control the water flow and not get your bandage all jacked up, all wet. So you can control that when you take a shower. Number 2, get a loofah with a stick to do your back, to do your feet, because you're not going to be able to bend over and do things like you normally do. To get a good thorough shower, get the wand and get the loofah with a stick on it. And third thing that I remembered, and that has worked for me too, is it's going to sound weird, but you got to go to the bathroom and you just aren't working like you used to. What I did was I bought real long, thick shorts, like sports shorts, basketball shorts with a string in them, so that when you go to the bathroom, you don't have to wear underwear. I'm just telling you, I know that sounds stupid, but you don't have to wear underwear. I bought one pair a day and I change them out every day. It's not like I'm soiling them or anything, but certainly when you go to the bathroom, you stand up, you pull the drawstring, you drop your drawers, go to the bathroom. There's no friction on your hip, there's no restriction around your waist, and you don't have to worry about your underwear sticking or messing with your incision. It just makes going to the bathroom easier. Now, one thing I'm dealing with now is sitting down to go to the bathroom. It's like I'm sitting on my sciatica, so my sciatic nerve. I don't know why that's happening. Maybe it's just swelling from overdoing it yesterday. So again, day 4, part 2, and my PT girl just called. I'm going to ask if she'll let me film her when she gets here, showing me what I need to do for my rehabilitation. But yeah, get the wand for your shower. Get a loofah to scrub with. It's just easier for your whole body. Get some drawstring shorts that you can just drop and pick up real easy when you got to go to the bathroom. And anyway, the biggest thing I'm dealing with right now is a cloudy brain. I don't know why that's like. I didn't realize I was cloudy even this morning when my wife said, "What'd you just have for breakfast?" And I couldn't remember. So anyway, that's been my biggest battle, just the mental game right now. So when she gets here, I'm going to ask what I should do slowly. I went way too far yesterday, just thinking I could go back to normal life. And like I said, my leg looked like a 55-gallon drum when I went to bed, and still looks that way this morning. Swelling's not good. So take your swelling meds. I'm not taking any pain meds. That's up to you. The doctor highly recommended it, but I want to deal with the pain so I know where my body's at. So I gave all those back. So I'm only taking anti-inflammatories, muscle relaxer. Well, muscle relaxer has been helpful because my legs started to cramp. So I took one of those. Good thing about that is it helped my back, which was under strain, my leg, and when I went to sleep, it helped me go to sleep too. So the muscle relaxer is not bad, but no painkillers. So, all right. Second video on day 4 after complete and total hip replacement at age 56, and my nurse is on the way to do PT. So maybe we can do a video with her. She can tell us some stuff we need to know. All right, that's it.